And is gearing up for what could be a historic April blizzard. We have team coverage in the field and, of course, right here in our storm center as our meteorologists finalize their forecasts.
Well, these last few days of calm weather gave city crews the chance to prepare for what's to come. The streets department is preparing for long shifts and a lot of snow to remove as winter returns. At about this time last year, snowplow drivers were digging out from an April blizzard. Fast forward to now.
Feels like Groundhog's Day all over again.
Lead equipment operator Chad Sunvold says crews here are busy getting the sanders and plows ready for the next few days.
Just when you think spring's around the corner, we get hit with another quick storm like this.
For a lot of the guys, they're like, yep, here we go again.
New street operations manager Dustin Hansen has had his hands full the last few months. He says his crews are prepared to tackle the city's main streets once the snow hits.
When that storm does hit Wednesday night, we could be going through the weekend if we do call a snow alert.
Hansen says it'll be number 5 this season. His staff expects to work 12-hour shifts through Friday.
It is a lot to handle. I think it's more of, just the temperament of our employees, but they're ready for anything at any time.
It feels like a rewind to winter. But Sunvold says whether it's last year, this year, or next year, this mindset will always stay the same.
We're civil servants, so we try to do the best for our public. Just like a fireman wants to do their best in their job, we want to do the best in our job. And we want the streets safe, and we want them as good as it can be.
Hansen doesn't have an exact number, but says this storm could cost between $300,000 and $400,000.